This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In this section of the course, which is the next few videos, I'm going to walk you through complete social media automation. Now, a quick disclaimer, I took these particular videos from another course of mine. It works perfectly, seamlessly, you won't even know the difference, but because you're really just using, in this section, I'm gonna walk you through how to use social media to just share content across your social networks and how to automate it so that you're hands off and you have freed up to do other things. And I'm going to walk you through the 5 major social networks: LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Google+. And what I'm going to show you is how to almost entirely automate the process. And the purpose of it is going to be so that you can draw new people from those social networks and funnel them to download your app.